And we'll do a little bit of a dance. Let's see what happens if we can make a little monkey doing the dance. All right, that's all I got. Cool. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex. I'm a U.S. Navy veteran, combat vet that loves training and development, e-learning, and online courses. And I specialize now in AI and generative AI creation, video, film, and everything else. I've shown that's what this channel is all about. And this one is going to be awesome because we're going to use Luma Labs, whose Dream Machine claims that it can do the things that you saw there. However, what you saw just now is a flop of a test. So I'm going to show you potential results here and the different things that we have available. So if you're ready, come in. But before we go, I want to make sure you understand this. We got multiple languages being supported here, and also there are links in the description that you can benefit from. So let's roll. So I'm back here with you wearing the sleeveless tuxedo. Very patriotic. Was the Constitution. All right, so we have Dream Machine. If you haven't heard of Dream Machine, it's part of Luma Labs. And Luma Labs is claiming to do amazing things. I did a video before on it. That it's up there. Go check it out. It's up here. I don't know, up there. Yeah, up here. Can't figure it out. But that covered the whole overview of things. Today we're going to focus on the creation of Luma Labs Modify. So Modify is this stuff called Modify Videos. You can grab an existing video, modify it, and turn it into that. According to them, this is what's possible. So, I mean, that sounds pretty interesting, doesn't it? So monkey and try it out. Let me show you some of the examples that I tried to put in place. Of course, I show you this beauty. Let me kill the sound on that. Never mind. I guess when you hit play, you can't kill the sound. But this is my Liberace version of myself, I think. And what I was trying to do wasn't that, my friends. What I was trying to do is just get a seahorse. You see a seahorse here on the left, or what it seems to look like one, but it didn't do that. So, all right, well, that's failure number one, and I guess I just broke something here. That was interesting. Here's another one that's interesting. So this one grabbed the movements that I did, the dance movements, and this created that one guy. I have a full 3D folks, someone here that can do this. So it grabbed all those movements and it did it well. Interesting. The only thing I just don't get is the whole red hands, red fingers, red ears, and red that. So might have been the part of that situation that we were talking about. But as you know, as I mentioned before, Luma Labs has, Dream Machine has this cool thing, which is the boards. So this workflow, we've seen it before with Sora, we've seen it with Google VO. So yeah, it's been fantastic. So now let me show you a couple of things that happen here. The first example, for example, this one example, that didn't work. Second example, like grab that video and this video right here and try to morph it into the movement of an eagle. I even gave it a starting frame. If you notice here, the starting frame of an eagle. But that's not what is doing. Or that's not what it did. Now I grabbed the movement. That movement worked, but not what I wanted to do. So then the second piece was when I gave it the eagle frame. Now look at this. Now it actually kind of worked a little bit. Not exactly great, but something there. Let's see what happens if we can make a little monkey doing the dance. All right, so you did give movement with the eagle, so I guess if you wanted to use it for like a video game or like a scene, a B-roll or something, that can work. But it didn't do everything I really wanted it to do. Then I did one where I put myself on it and it just grabbed and recreated me doing the dance. Let's see what happens. Not moving my lips. So that one did not work well either. All right. So what is going to work here, reference? Well, here's the thing. The way this works is you're supposed to grab a working video and then see what happens if we add the movement to it. In this case, I gave you the starting reference of an image, still image, for the starting frame, and so it moved the feet. It was able to move the feet of the original picture, but didn't do anything else. It did the same things here, nothing else for that. And then the last example that I try here, I try to make myself, move myself to do things. And well, the only thing it did is created a new movement with my body. So that was interesting because it's not doing the dance, right? And I'm just moving my hand up and down. And so this is what the model said. I see you want a digital art interpretation with a wide ground level perspective, focusing on that striking indoor scene. This approach will give your video a fresh, immersive feel with dynamic framing. Okay, well, if you say so, sure. Now I'm going to show you a very cool feature here. It's called Brainstorm. So if you click that Brainstorm feature, then it comes up here, and this is smart because I think of the many apps, this is the one app that's actually helping people learn like what to focus on, right? So if we wanted to affect something like soft, add some references and add some things, you can do that here. And ground level wide shot of an arch of wooden door, emphasizing the intricate carvings and craftsmanship in the wood. So this is a Brainstorm, and the Brainstorm will do that. In terms of the Brainstorm, that you have that button there and you do that. If you kick it out in place, then it will start doing some things that will create that element. My question is, okay, where is the cool stuff though? Like, marketing is giving us this, but that's not what I'm seeing. So what would be, they're telling you that you're able to reimagine a video and restyle expressive performances, swap entire worlds, and do all of that. So, at this point, I don't think that is something that's capable of doing, but we'll see what happens. And let's say, for example, that if I had this original video where I'm dancing, let's say that we wanted to modify this, right? Funky reply on this, put myself out there in the Vatican, I guess. And obviously things will be stronger if you have a reference picture. I'm making an image here with this shot. And you see how that works, how it's starting to build the thing, right? So transporting the eagle to the Vatican. Well, you didn't do an eagle to begin with, my friend. So I don't know what you're talking about. But there we are. And see, it gave me the error missing the reference image. So here's the shot that we created first. So again, without doing the modified by itself, it does a great job of doing that. And then the whole notion, folks, is here that you grab this and start from the beginning, continue to expand it to create it into a film. So, all right, my verdict right now is it's not, I don't think this is ready. I don't think this works the way they say it works. It may be with a studio and something else, but at the user level, if you're having better luck than me, go ahead and let me know. Go ahead and drop it in the comments. Give me an example. I think you can share your examples directly from a link. So yeah, let us know. I'm interested, and we'll keep playing here. I'll keep diving into it to see if we can find something more interesting. I'll drop this weekend, I'll drop the instructions, where I'll drop a post on our community, and you can check that out. If you're wondering about that, by the way, our community is in the channel itself. So if you go to YouTube, let's see, I'm gonna pop over here for the channel. Let's stop that. Okay, when you see the channel, you got posts right here, so you can actually see posts that I put out, and you can check that out. But otherwise, hey, thank you for watching. We'll see what else we can do with the Dream Machine. And this is just getting better and better each video we make. It's many apps and different things to do.